How to fill guest details. Let us begin by logging into the eGlobe panel. Once logged in, you will land on the dashboard. Go to PMS in the top menu and select Front Desk. Identify and select the booking you wish to modify or update. Click on Manage Booking to proceed. As you can see, 2 rooms have been booked under the same booking name. Click Room and Guest on the left sidebar, then select Room Guest. A side panel will appear. Click on the Edit option to modify the guest information. Under the Guest Details section, carefully fill in all the required fields. If you intend to apply the same guest details to all rooms associated with this booking, simply enable the provided checkbox option and Save button to update the selected room only. See that the guest details have been updated. To apply the same details, simply select this checkbox and save. Next, add the guest ID details. Go to Choose Guest ID Docs and click Add New if no documents are uploaded. Select the document type, enter the document number, and upload the scanned copy. Click Save after entering the required information. If you wish to modify another booking as well, you may conveniently make the necessary changes from here. You will now notice that the guest details have been successfully updated. For more information, call us at 9818880480.